Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix backup failed on Geometry Dash. The first thing that you want to do is to simply delete some save files or levels onto the game itself because your drive might be full. So for example, I'm going to delete this specific file right here. I'll just click on the X function or button at the top right corner of my screen and then click on the yes button, and from there this will then help you fix the problem. But if not, the other thing that you can do is to just rapidly spam the save button. Now this works for a lot of people, including myself, where you then want to spam the save button, and basically from there, it will be able to then bypass the backup failed try again later message. Now, another thing that you can go ahead and do is to simply restart your Geometry Dash or updating it to the latest version. And from there, by doing these things, you will be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.